Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is kamsinnamani, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my that girl morning routine in 2022. Now disclaimer, that girl is whatever girl you want to be, whoever she looks like. So if she wakes up at 12 noon and that's your girl, that's your girl. But yeah, I'm just sharing my own version of that girl, so no pressure. So yes, as you can see, I woke up at 7, but yeah, I had to like set up the camera and all of that. You know that one of my goals this year is really to wake up. I really want to be a morning person. I'm really not a morning person, but I want to be a morning person because I just feel like I'm more productive that way. And one of the things that help me wake up early is going to the gym. So not only do I also want to improve my health and fitness, it also makes me start my day early because I have to wake up early and meet my appointment. So yes, I just brush my teeth, clean my face, then I'm going down to make my protein shake. I really love this. Yeah, I think I had just started taking this a few weeks ago and I can really see the difference and what it has done. It's basically proteins. I lift weights, so I'm just trying to bulk up and increase my protein intake, and it's just really hard to do that with just food. So a protein shake is just a way to help you. It's not supposed to replace your food, just help you, increase your protein intake. I will add other things as time goes on. I got this from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's quite expensive. I think if you change it, it costs 50k in Naira, but I actually really like it and I'll be buying it again. So yeah, I put that in the fridge to cool while I go change into my gym wear. I have to moisturize those lips. Don't go to the gym looking crusty, sis. Okay. I also have the gym scent. Nothing too I always want to smell good. Okay. So I'm just packing in my trainers. Am I the only one? I find it weird, like driving with anything on my feet. I know it's so weird. Maybe if I have like slides, but besides that, it just feels weird. So when I get to the gym, then I wear my trainers. So I'm just picking up the smoothie. It should be cool. And off to the car. This is my very first day back at the gym since, I don't know, October or November. Really bad, I know. So I was just trying to take it slow, even though my trainer doesn't understand what it means to take it slow. But yeah, I don't think I did too bad for my first day back. forward to breakfast. I'm really not a breakfast person. I'm really not. But I've also noticed that when I work out, my appetite does get, out of control. So yeah, working out also helps me eat breakfast. And I saw this on Pinterest and I tried it and I really liked it. So I decided to do it. However, this day my gum was so swollen I could barely chew it, and I forgot to microwave my bread to make it really soft and easier to bite down. But I really eat this very slowly. You should definitely try it out. I was told to even add chia seeds next time and avocados. So yeah, looking forward to adding that as well. It also has peanut butter, which is also great in bulking up and all of that. Then I have this drink I have been loving. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. And it also has 9 grams of protein. Like I said, I'm really trying to increase my protein intake, and all of that is so good. I didn't know it was that expensive. I didn't know that it was like 1,400 for that tiny bottle in Naira, if you're not in Nigeria anyway. And yeah, so someone was sweet enough to get me like 20 bottles, and I was just taking it. So when I went into the store, I was like, it's how much? Yeah, okay. But try it. It's really nice. It has other flavors: strawberry, vanilla. I like chocolate. And yeah, that was what I ate for breakfast. I really love this part of my morning routine, which is opening up the windows. Everywhere just feels so fresh, out with the old, in with the new. Everywhere is bright, and the weather definitely changes my mood. So when everywhere is bright and airy, I'm just really like motivated to start my day and be productive. Another step I never miss is really making my bed. I know you guys have probably seen this in almost every morning routine, but I just love it. It just shows that, okay, the day has started, and it also discourages me from getting back into bed. So yeah, I always do this. So I just let my shower run so it gets hot, and I pick out the outfit of the day. I'm staying home today. It's really an editing day, so just something really comfortable, going through comments and DMs, and yeah, hopping into the shower. I would definitely have my shower routine up really soon. I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. To be a shower and skincare routine, I've really been trying new products, and I just want to be sure of what I'm putting out there. So please be patient for it to be out really soon. One thing that really helps me in being productive and being in the mood is just getting dressed the way I would if I was actually going out. So even though I'm a bit more casual, I still do my edges, I still have my scent of the day, I still moisturize my lips, you know, it just makes me feel I don't know, serious. I work from home, so it really helps when you can create a routine that works for you. And I've noticed that when I look a bit more put together, I am a lot more productive. I don't feel lazy or too laid back. I'm ready to hit my goals and get things done. So like you can see now, I'm closing the windows now because I want the AC on. It's hot here. It's really hot. So yeah, that's just me. And yeah, time to edit. I hope you guys love this really short and cute video. Nothing too much, you know, we're all human beings. We all have our low days. So I wanted to share this simple and quick morning routine. And yeah, hope it helps someone out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!